I am going to show you how to post your video and get more views on YouTube. Like there are so many things on YouTube that you need to pay attention to. If you're not paying attention to those things, you might be getting fewer clicks and you will not even get bothered. All right. So in as much as it's not all videos that we grow, that is the fact. Some videos we actually do better than the other one. But first of all, you have to know where your traffic is coming from. And that is after you have posted the video the right way. You understand? So I'm going to share you my phone screen right now. So many people said that posting video with YouTube app direct, it can bring lower views or fewer clicks, So to me, I don't think that thing is true. All right. Anywhere you want to post your video, you can still get that views that you want to get. Since 4 years I've been on YouTube, I don't think I've posted video with YouTube Studio, like the YouTube Chrome version, or with my system more than 2 times. So anytime I normally post maybe with my laptop or Chrome version, or maybe when I want to do 1 or 2 experiments, I want to experiment on something, because there are some settings that you are not going to find on YouTube app or YouTube Studio. All right, but if you use your Chrome version or this thing, you are going to find it. But that can never affect how many views you are going to get. Are you getting me? So whether you are posting with YouTube app or you are posting with the Chrome version, you can still get views. I've gotten plenty views since I started YouTube. I've gotten 1.2 million views, which I haven't shared recently. All those videos, I posted it with my phone, and I use YouTube mobile app to post it. This plus sign that you are seeing here, you can post video with it, only doing it this way. If you don't post it like this, if you just post it straight the way you post with YouTube Chrome, you might not get views, and this is why. Let me show you something. That will amaze you. Click on that plus sign, go to video. Okay, let's assume now I want to post this video now. Now, first thing that you are going to do is to write the title of that video. Write the title. Follow me carefully. I'm heading somewhere. Write the title of that video. Let me just write ceremony. Let's assume ceremony is my title. Now you put your description. Even if you don't want to put it now, you will leave it. This place is the main thing. This place, the root visibility, is the main thing. Many people don't know the meaning of all these things. That is why anytime you want to post your video, you will just post your video straight. All right. What I'm trying to tell you is that even if you are posting with YouTube app, you can still get millions of views if you post the right way. I'm not saying that posting with Chrome is bad or is wrong, you understand, but I don't think it will determine that you will get higher views when you are posting with this one. I don't know if you're getting me. So now, first of all, what you are going to do here is to remove this video from public. You understand? Because if it's on public, once you post, it will just post direct without even optimizing. All right, but what you are going to do is to remove this video first from public. We have members only. This one is for people that have created membership listing perks for their channel. They have some preferential treatment they give to people that are subscribers, your members, not the normal subscribers that you can subscribe. Because this one now, if you subscribe as member, you'll be paying money monthly. There are some things that person might share with the members, but the person cannot share it with the normal general subscribers. So that is what these members only mean. Then this is unlisted. Unlisted means if you post this video now using unlisted, nobody else can see the video unless you carry the link of the video and share to somebody. Are you getting me? Then this one is private. This private now means that it's only you that can watch the video, and you can also share the link to somebody. Are you getting me? So I will advise you to put it on private or unlisted. Now put the video on private. Put the video on private. Then you do this altered content. Either you click yes or no depending on your contents. Then after that you click on what? Upload. It's uploading. Now as the video is uploading, let me quickly show you things that you need to master in your YouTube Studio. You understand? That will make your video to be fully optimized. Most people think that YouTube is just about posting video. It's not all about posting videos saying I'm not having views, I'm not having subscribers. There are some things that you need to be checking. There are some things that you need to master inside that YouTube studio. Like if you want to be very, very successful on YouTube, you and your YouTube studio should be 5 and 6. There are some things that you need to know there, so that if your video is not doing well, you will know why the video is not doing well. Now let me show you something. This is my YouTube studio. Let us go to this video now. This video. You see this place, they wrote impression click-through rate. You understand? Click on that impression click-through rate. You see what YouTube wrote here. Great job. People on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more than often, which means that the video is doing well. YouTube will tell you reason why your video is not doing well. There is something that I want you to pay attention to. You see this place, they wrote YouTube recommendation. That should be the #1 source where your videos are coming from. If your videos are now coming through YouTube recommendation, it means that YouTube are not pushing that video. And the things that can cause it is maybe you posted video now, you went and carried that video and start sharing to your WhatsApp and everywhere. You understand? You did not allow YouTube to analyze the video and start circulating it small. You understand? So whenever you post, don't be too quick to share. Allow YouTube to understand the video first and push it to the audience. Anytime you start having views through YouTube recommendation, just know that you have started getting it right. I don't know if you're getting me, but if you're having your views from external sources, this one, it means that you have not started getting it right. But anytime you start getting your videos through YouTube recommendation, just know that your channel has clicked. All right, so that is one thing I said, let me show you about this YouTube app. Now watch, let us go back to that video that is uploading. Okay, now the video has finished uploading. Look at the video. The video has copyrights. Don't mind this copyright the video is showing. It's just for tutorial. The sound that I use in the video is copyrighted, so I'm not supposed to post it on YouTube. Now this video now that you are seeing here, this video is on private. Remember how we posted it? We posted it on as private video. Now watch, look at something. Now look at, if you really want to optimize this video before you publish it, I will even advise you to allow the video to stay for like, let's say 24 hours. So that if you finish doing everything that you're supposed to do, YouTube will now understand the video very, very well before you put it on public and post. This is the reason maybe people do ask you to post through YouTube Chrome, so that you can do all those things once and for all, but you can still do it inside your YouTube studio. Now look at the important things you need to do here. Now if you click on this pencil icon, now this thing I wrote ceremony, now this is when you can now maybe put any title that you want. You understand? You can write ceremony in my hometown. All right, ceremony in my hometown. This is just an illustration. Then you go to description and type, this ceremony was fun. Abi, it's just description. So after doing this thing, you go to playlist. You can put the video in one of your playlists. All right, now you go to this place, they wrote tags and more option. Then you put your tags. It is very, very important. You can put ceremony as tag, occasion as tag. You can put vacation. Anything that is related to that video you posted, you can put it as your tags. You see, after doing all this thing now, you will find out that you have optimized this video. Then the last one is thumbnail. You click on this pencil icon, you go to custom thumbnail. You understand? You check your thumbnail that is very good. Okay, let me use this one now. Let's assume that this is the thumbnail I want to use. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing that this video now has been fully optimized, even as I posted through YouTube app? Then the last thing that you are going to do here is to go to public and put the video on public. Go back, then you click on save. Immediately you click on save, this video will be out on YouTube. I don't know if with full optimization. I don't know if you're getting me. So this is exactly how to do it. If you post your videos like this, you are going to see changes. You understand? Unlike when you will just post the video, you upload it and post immediately. You understand? Anytime you want to post, don't be quick to make it public. No. Put it on private first. Arrange it very, very well. Check the things that you will add and remove before you publish it. But once you post and publicize immediately, most times you even forget to put thumbnail, forget to put tag, forget to put this one, forget to put that one. Before you know, the video is already on public. But if you put it on private first or unlisted, then arrange it very, very well inside your YouTube studio. Then you let the video go public. Then as you post this, you'll be checking it. Check where the traffic and the views are coming from. Track all those things down. You understand? It will help you to know how you are going to post your next video. And like this, you'll be start getting views and you start seeing changes in your channel. So that is what I want to show you today. If you prefer to use YouTube Chrome version to post, that one is also fine. If you want to use YouTube app, it's also fine. Both of them are welcomed. You understand? It's not more that if you post with Chrome version, you will have more views. If you post with YouTube app, you will have more views. Even those people that are saying that, most of them are posting with YouTube apps. You understand? So I don't know, but this is just the facts, you know. So if you find this video meaningful and interesting and informative, please do well to like this video and give me a subscribe. I love you and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.